Hey guys, today we're going to be doing flag wars, but using cheap beginner guns. Now let's see the shop here. Which beginner gun should I pick? I know the P90 is the beginner gun, you can only just get it from code. Minigun, like a 65k, pretty expensive, so I'm going to unequip that. Which other guns? That's a default gun, SMG, Uzi, M16. I'm gonna use the M16. How much ammo does it have? 40 ammo. Okay, that's pretty good. So I'm gonna be using a P90 and whatever that gun was. I forgot what it was. Let's see this gun. Oh, that's a clean gun. Nice. Okay, so now I'm just gonna be playing flag wars and be trying to win. That first capture was my capture. Levels aren't really so fair, but still, let's test it out. It's worth testing out. Okay. Oh my god. But sorry, the lag is crazy. Oh god, the lag is so crazy. Okay, wait. Oh! Okay, at least I captured the first gun. The first flag. Okay, wait, guys. So, this might hurt your brain, but whoever invented time, how did they know what time it was? Ooh. For serious, how did they know what time it was? Was the time just like 00 complete midnight, or like, I don't know. But guys, the P90, I know it's a beginner gun, but trust me, it's a really, really good gun. Yeah, you try hiding from me. Sorry, boy. Okay, okay, let's see the levels. Oh, damn. I'm getting cooked by level 1s. Bro, look at the level difference. I feel bad for Red. Level 428 versus level 1. Damn, and there's not even the same amount of people. Crap. This really isn't fair. Okay, so if you put clean soap on a dirty floor, does the floor become clean, or does the soap become dirty? Ooh. Or die. Oh my god, I'm so not used to beginner guns. Okay, I'm gonna try using the whatever that gun is. I've completely forgot it. I'm not used to this gun. I bought that gun like 2 years ago. Actually, should I capture it? No, someone else has already got the flag. 3 oars. Okay, 3 oars. Yes. You dare try hurting him. Okay, that was complete lag. Oh god, he's about to die. I'm gonna come here. Wait, how's he not dead yet? Bro, look at his health, man. No, that's me. Are you blocking me off? I'm your teammate. No. He does not show good sportsmanship, good flag warship. Oh my god, what is wrong with this? No, this beginner gun's one of the worst beginner guns I've ever saw. Oh my god. Yeah, P90. God. Oh my god. Okay, right now is the Valentine's event, 6 days left. I got 569,000. I spent quite a lot, which is why. This, oh god. Yeah, I'm just gonna use, those. I'm gonna use those. Apparently that's supposed to, yeah, there's new skins. Oh, this is good. But guys, the heavenly staff, like, oh, for God's sake. Let's see the heavenly staff here. No, that's the staff of healing. Where's the heavenly staff? Bah. Okay, heavenly staff. That's probably the weapon thing, but isn't it? The heavenly staff looks exactly like the staff of healing, like the skin. It looks very alike, very alike. Use a medkit 8 times. Heal. What's my weekly? Okay, so now let's capture a few medkits. Gadgets. How I not got any medkits? That's a spy 10. Equip. Okay, oh god. Bro, my FPS is like 10 FPS. Wait, let me just cook my FPS. Okay, now it should be okay. Oh god. How is it? Oh, I thought it said 0-3. I thought blue was winning for a sec. Damn, bro. Oh god. What the hell? Oh, it's my mistake. This is what my response. Wow. My response. So my boy. No, that was cringe. I'm sorry, man, that was cringy. Oh god, dang it. Oh, dang it. Oh my god. Come on. I did the medkit! I swear I did the medkit. Okay, now we can just make a tiny exception here. I won't use this gun, but I'm going to use the snowball launcher. That's fair. Come on, that's fair. Wait, let's see my melee at... Wait, what is that? Oh, damn, 170k. I wish I could get that. Oh, yeah, and I'm saving up for this wind spell book. I've gotten so much cash that I had to spend it all the day before the wind spell book. That's crazy, the fact. Now guys, the good thing about the snowball launcher, it heals, reloads like really fast. Does 14 damage, oh god. Oh, okay, let's use my P90. Hey. Oh no, I used medkit. Okay. I'm not even moving. Newbies. Oh, they proved me wrong. Yusuf, you proved me wrong. Bro, what are you? How to do what? What are you asking me to do? I don't know what you're asking me to do, so I'm not going to reply to that. Face reveal at 1k subs. Oh my god, but the bad thing about this gun is, like this gun, man. This gun, bro. Oh god, yay. Oh, Red's got a flag, damn. Okay, I'm just gonna try getting the flag and go under. I know I'm gonna die right now. Oh, damn it, bro. Damn it! Damn, please. Ah! Okay, at least now I'll at least give my teammates a chance to at least get the flag. Teammates got the flag. What the hell? Was there someone there? Oh, I swear there's someone there, bro. I swear there's someone there, man. Okay. I just really want to get... Oh, babe. I never know this guy's name, but... Yeah, I never know this guy's name. Actually, bro, this gun's RPG. That's 9.5k. That's 9.5k. Come on, bro. 9.5k. That's a beginner gun. That's under 10k. Come on. That's under 10k. That has to... tell me in the comments if that's a beginner gun. Oh, my God. My aim is horrible. Okay. Come on. Kill. One kill. Okay, that's the kill. 2 kills. Wait, is that bigger? Oh my god, for God's sake, man. I'm not gifting him VIP. Bro, I'm poor. Oh, sorry, I'm poor. Bro, I'm poor. No, I'm poor, bro. This is my first, like, Flag Wars video. One of my first Flag Wars videos. Oh god. Medkit. I have like so much health left, but why not do medkit? Bro, Red's actually cooking. Damn. Oh, my friend beat Vibe. Yeah, so level 439. Bro, where's all level 439? Oh my god. Bro, I'm not joining you. I'm sorry, man. I'm not joining you. I'm in a video. You said you have 150k Robux. Bro, I said I was joking, but you took it too seriously. I said I was joking, but you took it too seriously, man. I'm poor. Look, I'm poor, man. Oh, fudge cake. Oh, damn it. Look, for proof. You guys want proof? I'll give you proof that I'm basically poor. Okay. Well, let's see one of the cheapest items in the game. Dual shovels. Yeah, let's buy some dual shovels. 75 Robux. Oh, yeah. They only have 75 Robux. Okay, I'm serious, not kidding. I'm not kidding too. I'm not kidding. You may think I'm not kidding, but I'm really kidding, okay? I'm not even not kidding, but I'm no kidding. I bet you never heard of that. Oh god, I've only got 12 kills. No, bro, my FPS is like 5. I swear my FPS is like 2. My FPS is 2, bro. Bro, why is red cooking them? I level up. I'm level 37. By the way, if you guys want me to spend some Robux in this game, you can just join, please donate. I've got my own stand. Trust me, I'm not begging. I've got my own stand, username, Hulk Supporter. If you're really good, then you might have seen that in the video. Okay, I have to reload this. Okay, this is the bad thing about this, man. Why taking so long to reload? I've got barely any time left in my life. God knows how much time I've left in my life, bro. Oh my god. Why, Charlie? Why do you have to do this to me? Okay, for the last, 5 minutes, I'm just gonna equip minigun, and I don't like the RPG that much, but there should be a code. I don't think this code works. It's like 3M60. 3M60. I'm not sure this is the code. It's either 3M60 or 3M90. Damn it, no. Black Horse, it's not like me. Okay, P90. Done. Well, what is this? What is that, man? Oh, Charlie. Charlie killed me. He tried getting the flag. Revenge. Revenge, Charlie. Revenge. Oh, I guess someone else already gave revenge. I guess karma struck. Karma struck, boy. But I how'd that not kill him? Okay. Charlie in the chocolate factory. Okay, now I'm just gonna use the. Now I'm gonna go crazy on this. P90. Okay. I'm just gonna use pistol for this. Dang, this is crazy. M4A1. Why do you guys have such weird names? CT Scorpion. No one likes us. What the hell? Oh my god. No, this pistol gives me nostalgia like crazy. Oh god. What the hell? What? Charlie, I'm using a pistol and I killed you. Charlie, I used a pistol. Charlie. By the way, I'm not saying that I'm backing, but my username is Hulk Supporter. Very weird username. Trust me, I know. I didn't have enough Robux to change it. If you guys want me to use Robux for these for this, oh my god, how am I doing this? Ugh, be bear, GG, bro. How did Red win? Red made a comeback. I might use the Robux in the video. So now that I've played a match, or 3/4 of a match, thank you guys so much for watching this. Please like and subscribe. Bye.